We'll start off this episode 3 with sharing we have an owl refugee in our property. That's pretty exciting.
All right, guys, we just put up the last wall of the house framing. How's it feel?
Feels good, but it'll be feeling better with lunch.
Yeah, well, we have lunch in the vehicle. Still got lots of work left to do, but this right here is our last wall we put up. A little kind of half wall for the dining room. So you can see, house is all framed up, and it is actually it's Kaylee's birthday today. So
What is today anyway? January 5th?
January 5th, so we can just remember we finished framing the house on Kaylee's birthday.
Yeah. Oh.
Lots of work left to do. Let's make that part clear.
Here's Cooper climbing one of the dirt hills in the front of the yard. He loves climbing to the top. I was shocked that he could make it all the way up. It's probably about 5 feet up in the air, but he loves it. We have gotten a little bit of snow, so here's while the guys are still finishing the framing process. Thankfully, we haven't gotten too much snow. It's been such a light winter, spring for us. Here's Justin and Cooper. Hi, Cooper! Woohoo! Cooper loves helping Daddy. Justin rented some of this equipment to help start setting the trusses. So when we got our truss package, the truss manufacturer said it was such a complicated truss package and it just all fit together like a big giant puzzle that they really recommended us only doing the trusses with a very experienced professional crew. Well, that wasn't in our budget. So we had Dad and Tyler and Justin. And you know what? Again, they totally figured it out. We rented a little bit of equipment and they were able to hoist them up. And oh my goodness, just by the grace of the Holy Spirit, they got them up. And we were told this was just an incredibly complicated, kind of puzzle of a truss system. And here the guys are. If you can see on the very top, there's a metal chain that they would hook up the truss to, and they would lift it up and they would set it. And then two of the guys would stand on ladders and help nail it in.
I'm going to give you guys the tour now that the top level is all framed in. The guys are working on the trusses up there. All right, so here's the front doors, and there'll be 8-foot double doors. So excited about that size. It'll feel so grand. It's a little half wall. Here's a nice full wall. You walk in and see the awesome view out there with our mountains, our covered snow. It's the living room. On the other side of this half wall is a nice window with the dining room. There's Justin.
You can't shoot your video of them working while I'm taking a break.
So here's first the bottom level of the window, so we'll have some more windows going up to a nice. There'll be a nice fireplace over on that wall. Opposite of the fireplace is our kitchen. So you've got a nice set of French doors going out to a porch. French doors going out to a 3-season screened-in porch on this side. It's covered. Here's our pantry. The sink will go here, that's the window above it, so we'll have a beautiful view. And we'll have a nice big island here in the middle. Now here's the stairs. So here's the dining room, there's the stairs that go downstairs. There'll be a little rail right here, and stairs go down. Over here is there's a hallway. We've got all these braces around. I'm going to curl under the braces. All right, we got through. Here's the laundry room, and I've got this gorgeous window right here. I'm going to put a chandelier there, so who doesn't need a chandelier in their laundry room, right? And a beautiful view. So that will be beautiful. Here's going to be a nice little spot for the kids to sit down on a nice bench Justin will build here. Hang up coats on the little hooks and put their shoes on. Here's a guest bathroom. Nice little half bath. The garage door. Here is one of the bedrooms. Again, beautiful, nice big window. Justin up to the sizes of the windows, and I just love this scale. And there's a closet right there. Okay. Since that one's kind of blocked off, I'll go through the walls. So here's the half bathroom. I'll go through this wall right here.
They were doing
Dining room.
massive trusses, probably 35 feet long.
Here's the guys talking about trusses.
And just the
And we'll go in the hallway over here now. So we're back to the living room. We can't wait to put a Christmas tree. It'll probably go right there. And then the fireplace will be here on the wall. So here's a hallway. And here's another bedroom in here. Again, this beautiful big size window. Here's a closet. So nice. There's a ton of storage in this house. So here's a coat closet or linen closet. Nice and deep. It's a long hallway. Here's a full bath for the kids. And on the other side of the fireplace is here in the living room, but on the back side, since it's an electric fireplace, it doesn't, it'll have kind of like a space. We're going to built in nice little storage door in there, just a little storage cubby. Here's another storage linen closet. Probably do a little pretty decorative something right here on this wall. And here's the master. Oh, you're going to love the view. Look at this beautiful view. The master has these big 3 windows right here and then another window right there. Just beautiful, beautiful view. So just be able to look out over the lake and the mountains. There's not as much snow on the mountains as there has been. Just a beautiful view. So pretty. And of course down here is our basement level. So it'll be just all landscaped eventually. Here's just another view of the back of the house. So we've got the kitchen, the dining, the kitchen French doors, the dining nook, breakfast nook French doors, and then here's the main living room, and of course the windows will go all the way up into the peak. It'll be so beautiful. And then the deck will come out, and I believe there's the posts, so the deck will come out to here, and a beautiful peak roof will be over the first part of the deck. The middle part of the deck will be uncovered, but it will be beautiful, screened in, kind of a 3 Seasons porch right off the kitchen. Just beautiful. Okay, here's our bathroom. Here's the little doored toilet area, and across from it is a closet, a linen closet. There's a big, beautiful window with a tub. Across from it is going to be just a beautiful granite countertop for the 2 sinks. And a shower over here in the corner, right here in the corner. And here's the master closet. Justin tells me that the master closet is for both of us, so I have to share. I will gladly share. So just beautiful. Anyways, the guys are working so hard. The trusses are coming up. They have worked just day and night, and I just couldn't be more impressed. Every step of the way, they're figuring out new things and solving problems. So, good job, guys. Start up there. There's Tyler climbing down, Justin climbing up. Beautiful day out here.
So here the guys are continuing to set the trusses. There was a couple weekends there where my dad was actually 3 weeks in a row gone on business trips. So Justin and Tyler had to do a bunch of it themselves, and they did, and I just couldn't be more impressed. And then Dad came back from his business trips, yay! And they were working on the back porch there. Here's Cooper by our windows, and here's our amazing front doors. We're gonna stain the wood. And here's Cooper just watching the guys work. They're working on setting the posts for the back porch. He just loves going out there and seeing Daddy and Papa and Uncle Tyler. So the guys are building the deck. They're using this
crane that they used for setting the trusses as well. There's Tyler down there. Justin's driving. Dad's down here, and me and Cooper are watching. Here's Cooper. Cooper, say hi.
Hi.
Look, Cooper, they're building our deck.
Look at Peter.
That's a good idea.
Hi, Dad. Hey.
So here's just the trusses almost all set. If you can see, the top of the middle of the house has a flat board. It's because they have another triangle 10-foot peak piece to put up on there. And here's the back of the house. You can see the gorgeous vaulted ceilings in the master and the living room. Here's the porch. The porch is going to have a beautiful vaulted covered roof over it as well. So Coop got playing in some of the mud piles by where they did the well, and it was really soft. Oh my goodness, this was just incredible. There was a windstorm, and these sheets of plywood got thrown into the air and actually hit some of the trusses. We couldn't believe it, but undeniably they found some pieces of the sheathing all around the property, and we're so grateful that the guys weren't out there working during that storm. This hill just is super windy. And here's a final shot of the back of the house. You can see the decking is up, the posts are all up, and that beautiful vaulted peak roof above the deck as well. We just feel so incredibly blessed to be on this journey. We're nearing halfway in, and Justin tells me that the next step is sheathing this incredible roof, and then they'll start on roofing and siding. We're just so blessed to be on this journey. Thanks so much for joining with us. See you next time.